Applying the current UCS to a viewport. We can have multiple viewports in a drawing. We'll cover this more later in detail, but if we go up to our view and we hit this down button here, we can have multiple viewports. You can think of a multiple viewports as looking through a window, 4 different windows into our drawing. And actually we can come in here and see that right here we have the UCS with the X and Y on this yellow surface. I click over here, I have the UCS, the X and Y on the red surface. I click here, I have the UCS on this top green surface. And here we have it at the view. And we can apply all these UCSs to those viewports. So as we move around, they stay with that viewport. To do that, we have to go type in UCS on the command line. And we have all the options on the command line. Not all. There are some that are not there. So we can either type in A for apply or the word apply. And so we'll say A for apply. And it says, hey, do you want to apply the, pick the viewport you want to apply the current UCS to? Or I can click on all. And I'll click on all of them. And now that UCS is applied to every single UCS. Okay, so I can do that again. I'll undo that. Let me back right up here. Here we go. So let's go and start again. I'm going to go to a multi-viewports. Bang. And let's say I'm down here and have this UCS set up here. I can type in UCS. I can type in A for apply, and I can go and click on all. And now that UCS will be parked on that spot in each one of those viewports that I work on. So here I can go work on this viewport. I can zoom in over here. This one I can zoom in over here. So this one I can zoom in over here. I can get pan, put that in the middle of the screen. I can zoom right in on that surface, for example, and I can work on these different tiles as needed. So if I ever want to go back to these to a single viewport, I just go to single viewport and I go right back to one particular viewport. All right. You can always go back to home if needed.